In this video, we will learn about setting default due date for the invoices. Navigate to Companies section. Here, we can check the default due date option. Click on Edit button. Click on Default Due Date drop-down. One can select any option as per their need from the list. We are selecting Net 10 option for default due date. Click on Save button, you'll get the notification as company updated. Now to verify the changes, navigate to Invoices section. Click on plus icon to create a new invoice. Here, we can check that the date is November 7th, 2022 and the due date is November 17th, 2022, which is 10 days after the creation date as per the default due date settings.
If you still have any query, please reach out to us on support@mooninvoice.com.